NEAT. Now the name is pretty neat. The idea is National Education Alliance for Technology. As the name suggests, it is an effort being released by MHRD to bring in artificial intelligence for much more personalized and customized requirements in higher education. So the main focus here is learning outcomes. How better the learning outcomes can be there through technical solutions. So EdTech courses have been part of it. You have All India Council for Technical Education, which would be implanting this NEAT program. So who would implant it is again a very important question. What is the aim? To move towards an adaptive learning, also to create a technology platform where EdTech companies can move in through a PPP venture or a public-private partnership venture. This launched in November 2019 is an important indeed question for your upcoming examinations. Also, to promote this at the initial phase, 25% of the total registrations would be done through the NEAT portal, and as a result, MHRD would be circulating the coupons for the same, specifically for the socially and the economically backward students. So bringing in learning solutions, learning management platforms, making MHRD a facilitator are some of the key aspects that are included under the NEAT scheme. Very important. I repeat again, you have special focus for bringing technology for higher education, bringing in much more personalized and customized requirements of the learner that could be met, and bringing EdTech companies in line with this. So those are some of the key highlights for your NEAT scheme.